Hello guys, today we have two lens 24-105 and I would like to move the red ring from this one, it's already damaged one, to other one here. So as you can see I have both is the same. We need to move the red from here to here without moving or remove anything of the parts, just by your hand. But please guys, just take care about what I'm doing carefully. This is need little bit skills. So first of all I will hold the small screwdriver. This is a minus, you can see it's a small one like this, and you need to be careful. First time you need to put it in the side of the ring like this. As you can see, carefully try to find some area and you can put it inside. Okay, first you find some glue around this ring, so you need to put your rings like this, as you can see, and you just slide it around. Okay, take carefully that you will not breaking the ring. Once you complete these things totally, you need to hold it side. You need to hold it on the side and start moving. Keep the screwdriver like this, like a triangle, then slide it around. I will keep it down, then I will slide it around. Just take carefully, don't push it much that you can maybe breaking the ring. Just I will move a little bit from this side, as you can see in my finger. Keep following your finger, following other, then you will get like this. Once you do it like this just by your hand, it's easy to move it out. So as you can see now it's moving out. I will zoom out, then I will take it to the other lens. So here I have the red rings, then I will attach on the other one. First of all you need to zoom, then put it inside, then move it around. I will keep it in the same place, then I will hold my fingers. Okay, that's it. So here I go. Now we just finish and we move the red ring from the other one to new one. Hope this video is it will be fine for anyone. They asked me before how to remove the ring from lens to lens. Thank you so much and see you in future for the next videos.